The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic just got leaked on eBay months early, and this reveal shows Samsung's biggest upgrade yet, along with some very controversial design choices. What's up guys, Atif here, and we've got your first real look at Samsung's next-gen smartwatch. Samsung was supposed to launch this alongside their foldables next month, but someone's already selling it online. These photos confirm three huge things. The name. It's definitely the Watch 8 Classic. No Ultra 2 here. The design. That new squircle shape with a thicker rotating bezel. The band system. Same connector as the Watch Ultra. But man, that leather band looks cheap. And here's the kicker. Charging speed looks identical to previous models. Come on, Samsung. Now for the big news. 64GB storage. Double last year's Ultra model. That means thousands of offline songs and podcasts, way more room for photos and apps, smoother system updates. Sure, 32GB was fine, but this is how you future-proof a premium smartwatch. Okay, real talk. When I first saw this, my reaction was, yikes. That band connection looks like a cheap knockoff compared to the sleek Watch 6 Classic. And that thickness. At first glance, it seemed bulkier than the Ultra. But here's the plot twist. After checking OnLeaks' CAD specs, the Watch 8 Classic is actually thinner than the Ultra. Samsung's official numbers don't count the bezel. Classic marketing magic. Those leaked photos, probably just bad angles. Here's the funny thing. After 24 hours, I'm kinda digging it. The rounder shape looks premium. And remember how the Watch Ultra looked terrible in leaks but won us over in person? That said, Samsung, please give us better bands. The Watch 6 Classic still holds the design crown. For now. I'll see you in that video. Smash that like button if you want more real leaks. And subscribe so you don't miss our full Watch 8 Classic review.